Legs up the wall pose or Viparita Karani is a supported restorative yoga inversion. It can be practiced on its own as an everyday restorative pose, or it can be used at the end of a yoga practice for its calming benefits and as a preparation for the final relaxation. Sit in a close proximity to a wall. Lower the back and the head to the floor. Adjust the body so that the sit bones press against the wall. Raise the legs so that the back of the legs are resting against the wall. Stay there and breathe as you hold the pose. To release, bend your knees to the chest, roll the body down to the side, and stay there for one breath before coming up into seating. For advanced practitioners, Viparita Karani can be practiced without the wall, supported by the hands. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, roll the hips up. Bring the hands underneath of the lower back, with the forefingers outside and the thumb facing inwards. Shifting the body side to side, adjust the arms underneath of the back. Inhale, raise one leg at a time to the ceiling, having the whole back supported by the hands. In this position, the upper arms, the shoulders, and the back of the head remain on the mat. The legs remain straight and the ankles of the feet are engaged. Stay here in comfortable breathing. Exhale, bend your knees, 1 foot down at a time to the mat. Release the hands one time from the back. Lower the body down, legs straighten out, and take a rest. Viparita Karani can be practiced with the blocks if the hands are not comfortable at the lower back. Bend your knees. Raise the hips up as you inhale. Slide 2 yoga blocks underneath of the sacrum. So the weight of the hips onto the blocks. Adjust the head, arms on the ground. When you inhale, raise the legs up to the ceiling and keep it straight. So the weight is actually on the head, the arms and the hips onto the block. Stay here in comfortable breathing. The neck remains its neutral position. Exhale, bend your knees and release the feet down onto the mat. Inhale, raise the hips up, use the hands and push the blocks away. Lower down the back on the floor and straighten the legs.